Breaking news. Evil Larry has escaped the maximum security prison and has started a cult. He has destroyed several cities already. I'm getting word now he is coming to Memetopia. Stay safe, Memetopia, and may God help you.
Too bad for Memetopia. Wait, I live in Memetopia. I need to board my windows and lock my door.
midnight.
I haven't heard any chaos outside. I guess Larry isn't coming.
Fired, Will.
Oh no, he's here. He's exploding penars. Oh no, it's him. No evil Larry, please.
Your city is next.